everything changes.
Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome into the channel. The 15th of December, just 10 days until Christmas. Everybody have your Christmas shopping done. I actually finished the last of mine today with some online gifts that are actually digital, and can't say it because certain people watch my channel that are part of that, but hopefully you have all of your gifts done. This video, super short. Simply wanted to give you an update about a scary message that came across the top of eBay for everyone over the last couple of days. How many people know exactly what I'm talking about? Well, I'm going to take you over to my computer screen, or my iPad, actually. I have it saved. Screenshot it, show you what it is, explain it to you. It's a scary tax message that came across the top of eBay. A lot of people messaged me, and I saw it posted in a lot of forums and Facebook groups. So let's go over there, take a look at it, and if you got this message or this banner, or you might get it, this will hopefully clear it up and explain it to you in under 3 minutes or less. All right, so this was the message that came across. Thank you to everyone that sent this over to me. I blacked out the name of the first person. At the top of your My eBay Seller Hub, of course, this is the main page. It says the IRS has let us know that your tax identification number TIN does not match their records. To avoid payout delays, please upload a W-9 form with your accurate TIN information, and then upload W-9 form, tax identification number. So basically, this is something that a lot of platforms do every single year. It's not because anything's necessarily changed or it's wrong. They always put this little error that says does not match their records. But that's not always accurate. It could be true. Like if something changed, if you updated from like an LLC to an S Corp, or went from an S Corp to an LLC, or from a sole prop to an LLC, things would change, right? Like you would stop using your Social Security and start using an EIN, an employer identification number. So if something has changed, then absolutely you need to do this. If nothing has changed, then all they're doing is just basically confirming it. Like you've ever logged into your bank account and they're like, please confirm your email and phone number. Nothing's changed. They're just confirming it. And since it's something so important, they'll send this out regularly, like on a yearly basis, sometimes every other year, just depending. And most platforms will do this just to make sure they have your correct information. Because if for some reason it's not correct, it can be a real mess to get it fixed. So with that being said, just go ahead and click on the W-9, and it's going to ask you for your TIN. Your TIN is your tax identification number, and that's either going to be in the form of your social. If you're a sole prop or a DBA and you're operating as a DBA with your Social Security number, then that's the number you'll use. If you're an LLC or an S Corp, you should have an EIN. So it's either an SSN, which is your Social Security, or your EIN, which is your employer identification number for like an LLC or S Corp. Both of those are your tax identification number. So essentially you have a TIN, and then you choose which one you use. And so that's all you'll have to do. It's going to ask you your mailing address, your name, probably an email and phone number, all your basic information, and then it's going to ask you for that EIN or Social Security number, and your marital status, etc. Things like that. Just the normal basic info. You'll fill it out. You'll hit submit. Sometimes it'll make you save it, print it out, sign it, and then scan it back in. In today's technology, you can, all I ever do with those, I can electronic sign them. I saved an electronic signature to my computer, and I drag and drop it over it and then save it. If you don't do that, you can, like I said, just print it out, sign it by hand, take a picture of it with your camera, or there's a app called TurboScan, I think, that does scanning on your phone for free, and then just, airdrop it, box drop it to your computer, and then upload it. Whatever you have to do, there's lots of ways to do it, but that's all they're asking for. Don't get, panic. Don't freak out. Chances are nothing's changed. You're all set. You just upload the new one and you're all good. If something has changed, then obviously you want to, put in all that different information and get them the new correct info. And this would be for this year, for 2021, that they are going to be able to send you out your 1099 in January for 2021. So you'll get it in January 22, because obviously we have to finish 2021, and then they send them out by the last day of January 2022 for your 2021 taxes, so you can report them all. So make sure you get that over to them before December 31st so nothing gets messed up. Okay, that keeps the video short. Appreciate it as always. I do have remote boxes, bulk remote boxes of 100 pieces. I'll link them in the description box below, and the 2022 that launches on New Year's Day, my complete training package and bundle of private videos, guides, store reviews, Facebook group, the private group, one-on-one calls, everything included. That will be linked below as well, with a link to check out the video video description of all that. So please consider picking that up. 50% off until New Year's Day when we launch. Thank you guys as always. Give the video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you again tomorrow.